What's up, everybody? It is Friday evening, about 5:30, and I need to wrap up a quick little video here so that I can go home and enjoy the weekend with my family. But I wanted to update you guys on today. We had a big window perf install for middle school that we wanted to finish today, but and in order to do that, we had to print some stuff overnight, right? Well, to turn off the lights in this place, you have to turn them off by the breakers. But I know which breakers to leave on for all the printers and all that stuff to work, all the computers and all that. Well, apparently the internet is tied in with the light breakers. And because Flexi is ridiculous in that it will not allow it to work unless it's connected to the internet, this stuff was not printed, so we lost another day of setback because of that. But it worked out nonetheless. I got some new printers in today. I told you about my DNS issues, and yes, DNS is real. It is a real syndrome, and I know because bam, bam. Here's some footage of this being unloaded, and I'll tell you what it is in a second. In this box is a twin JV100-160. We already have one of these. But with the one that we have right now, we are using the dual CMYK color set. With this one, we're gonna run an 8 color set so that we could hit better oranges. Our local high school and our local community college both have orange in their logos. And if we're gonna go do perf for somebody that has a lot of orange in their logos, we wanna be able to hit a really, really, really good orange. We needed another printer because we're getting stuck in situations where we have perf being printed all day long, and then we have people that come in wanting banners and different things done, and we're simply just not able to do it because our printer is tied up. So we really did need to have that second roll-to-roll printer working. Plus, if we do have a lot of perf running and we really want to knock it out even faster, we could get perf done at the same time. We have in this box a Mimaki TS100-1600 dye sublimation printer. We have a lot of sublimation projects that are coming about, and we need the ability to do that in-house. We have one particular project right now for these soccer jerseys. These are 100% polyester. They want to do a really cool camouflage design, which we were not able to purchase anywhere. And so through the magic of dye sublimation, we're going to make that happen. Also, with sublimation, we are planning on doing all of the things that you could do with it, like Daniel Pentecost does all these amazing things with tumblers and all those type items, mugs. Here's a sample over here of a mug with the logo embedded via dye sublimation. So anyways, promotional projects, promotional products, and sports jerseys, team jerseys, jerseys for basketball teams, jerseys for softball teams, the jerseys that cyclists like to wear, the jerseys that have a lot of graphics in them, like archery events, all those type things. I think it'll be really useful. Even if we did no apparel with the dye sublimation, the fact that we could gang sheet and do a bunch of logos and a bunch of wraps for all the promotional projects that we're going to be doing, that's what I'm really excited about it for. So that's what's happening Monday through Wednesday. Those are being set up by our Mimaki technician. They're going to come in, set it up, get us trained up on it, and go from there. While the printers are being unloaded, I met a guy named Vinny, who we have a mutual friend, and Vinny has tons of sign shop experience and vehicle wrap experience, but he knows Flexi. He knows a ton about the sign industry, and he kind of dropped in to introduce himself to me and to show me his portfolio. And I was like, well, Chelsea and I are about to head out the door to go do a window wrap install. And he's like, how about I come with you and help you? And I was like, that sounds like a pretty good thing to do on an interview for somebody that's gonna help you out in the sign shop. So he came out and he helped us out today, and it was a absolutely huge help. Vinny and I were actually able to go out and do the installs in this particular county. And in this particular county, because we're doing a thing for this school, there were 4 other schools that contacted us wanting perf as well. And so Chelsea was able to go out to all those schools, meet with them, get stuff rolling for them, take measurements, get stuff ready to quote. So we are on a mission to have a huge month in March and to follow it up with a huge month in April just off of window perf alone. So I call this business Mr. Postman, but we all know it should have been called Mr. Perf. Thank you guys for tuning in today. I'll have some more updates next week related to my DNS issues back there. I appreciate you tuning in. Take care. Bye.